Okay, let's move to the lighter side of Keralam politics. You're seeing a full-blown meme culture. And that's because of the newest viral star. I'm talking about Chief Minister V.D. Satheesan himself. He's been trending online as the Pookie CM. If you don't know what that means, you're a little behind on your Gen Z terms. But his reaction to a question on vehicle modification exploded across social media, and everyone referring to him as the cutest Chief Minister there is. What exactly is this about? You know, beyond the memes, why is it that Gen Z is rejoicing over V.D. Satheesan allowing vehicle modification? We break that down in this report by Shivimol.
Keralam's newest internet sensation isn't a movie star or a social media influencer. It is Chief Minister V.D. Satheesan, now lovingly dubbed the Pookie Chief Minister by social media. And in perhaps the biggest political vibe shift Keralam has seen in years. The state has gone from having the image of a stern, serious Chief Minister to now embracing a meme-worthy, real-friendly Pookie Chief Minister. The viral moment came during a press conference announcing the new cabinet when Satheesan was asked about one election promise that struck a major chord with Keralam's youth, vehicle modification.
ഞങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് ജനാഭിലാഷങ്ങളെ യാഥാർത്ഥ്യമാക്കാനാണ്. ചെറുപ്പക്കാരുടെ ആഗ്രഹങ്ങളെ, അവരുടെ ആഗ്രഹങ്ങളെയാണ്. അല്ലാതെ വെറുതെ വോട്ട് കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടി പറഞ്ഞതാണ്. പറഞ്ഞ വാക്കിന് വ്യവസ്ഥയിലേക്ക് പിന്നെ.
The promise struck a chord online, and now his candid reaction to the question is all over social media. For many youngsters, it is not just about modified vehicles, but about finally feeling understood.
എക്സോസ്റ്റ് വെച്ച് മോഡിഫിക്കേഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് നല്ലതായിരുന്നു. ലീഗലായിട്ട് ഉള്ള എക്സോസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, അതൊക്കെ നല്ലതാണ്. എക്സോസ്റ്റ് വേണ്ട തീരുമാനമാണ്. മോഡിഫിക്കേഷൻസ് എന്തായാലും വരേണ്ടതാണ്.
Government and people both should keep in mind that they have their own responsibility. So if they are doing it in such a way that they are not harming others, then everyone can enjoy their freedom and they can do that kind of styles and everything.
From campaign promise to policy buzz to full-blown meme culture, V.D. Satheesan's political honeymoon is now playing out one reel at a time. With Shivimol KG, Bureau Report, India Today.